I got the sunglasses and earbuds.
You got earbuds?
Let's open it.
Let's see. Wireless stereo earbuds. Alright, it has 2 earbuds and a wireless charging case.
Open it.
This must be the user manual. Oh wow, look at that. That must be the charging case. Go ahead, take it out. Wow, that's neat, huh? These are the earbuds.
Oh yeah, you're right.
The left. And this is the right one. Let's open it. Yeah. Ooh. That's what it looks like on the inside. These are the charging ports.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. Let's take it off.
Great sheet.
Look,
It says QC passed.
QC passed. This is Q.C. Passed.
Yes. Oh, look, it looks like a face. Ah!
That's cool.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have to charge this up with the USB. This is where you can open it. You just pull up. And there you go. There's your USB port. That must be the charging cable. Yep. Oop. Right. Okay, so this is a carrying cord. So you can carry your case. And this is the USB adapter.
Don't forget this.
These are different connections for your earbuds. The ones it comes with are small. These must be medium and large. These are charging. Touch to C5, and that is what you're going to pair. So touch that. It says it's pairing. And it is connected. And let's see if I can hear it. Oh yes, I could definitely hear it. You wanna try?
Yeah.
So do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? When you open up the case, you just take out your earbud.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
And it should automatically connect to Bluetooth. Like that. And there you can hear it on Bluetooth. Take them both out. And then you hear them on both. I'm going to show you how this connects right into the port. You just see? It's like magnetic how it does it. And just, boop, see? But in order to charge, you close it completely. So you can use any USB plug-in. You can use my phone. And as you can see, it is charging. The red light is no longer flashing. So it is done charging. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put this on a carrying case so you can carry it around. There's 2 holes here. I'm going to take this part and I'm going to thread it through this opening. pretty shiny black case. So yeah, I think this is awesome. So does Jay. Jay thinks this is awesome too.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye, friends. My gloves.